Today I'm here, at KLCC City Lounge to do a white oak wood flooring maintenance and re-vanish with bonshure E3 as a primer and finish with bonshure E9. In this video I gonna show you how good and clear for using these coating. This white oak floor already more than 10 years without doing any maintenance, so we have to regrind the floor so that it is even and to remove the existing coating. This Makita 7020 model. As you can see, this machine we can use for sanding the wood floor to cover up some minor unevenness, and it can use for side edge sanding. This machine is 5 to 6 kilograms, so while sanding process it will float and it have enough weight without any pressure press on the machine. So it is very easy to use. After sanding work, buffing, and fill up the gap had done. Now we shall vacuum the dust and prepare to do an undercoat with bonshure E3. Now, let us show you how to apply bonshure E3 by using floor applicator brush and what is the result for using E3 as a primer. The E3 is a 2-in-1 coating that can be used as primer or top coat. Later let me show you how great for the E3 to enhance the wood color naturally and clearly. Not only that, for this E3 there is another important protection against UV for interior application, which it can reduce down the white light synonyms. It is very easy to apply it. After you brush through it, there will have some brush mark, but don't worry. It will self-level back around 40 to 50% where just brush by following the wood direction. After 2 to 3 hours drying time, and we shall prepare to do a buffing or intermediate sanding. After buffing complete, we can just direct apply another coat of bonshure E3 by using trowel applicator tools. You know why? This is really amazing that I'm going to tell you that, after the buffing process, there are lots of small dust on the floor surface, but no worry, after you scrapes through the floor by using trowel applicator tools, it will clean up all the surface dust instantly. By using this method, you can save up lots of work and time. Now before we start to do the finish coat with bonshure E9, it is very important that we should always apply a coat of E9 by using trowel applicator, and do you guys know why? This is like a prevention tip that we may have some mistakes or miscue during final coat. This is because that E9 and E3 have different sheen level, so if there are some mistakes or miscue happened, it may be very observative. Therefore, this is the best way to prevent it. After 1 to 1.5 hours drying time, we can now do a final coat with bonshure E9 by using a floor applicator brush. E9 is a PU water-based coating that have a better surface hardness to protect the wood floor. It is finished with 90% matte and 10% gloss. Actually, we have another options that E9 can be add-on with HD Transpeed. In a result, it will have extreme matte sheen, which is more than 100% matte, and improve the coating hardness into sport floor standard. Therefore, it is more ideal if you can use it on commercial or residential. E9 don't have the enhance wood color function, so if you want the timber to look without any color enhance, you can just direct apply the E9 from primer to finish coat. E9 is very easy to apply with just brush it by following the wood direction. E9 have a very good self-leveling compound that after brush through the coating it will self-level it from 50 to 60%. Looks at this skillful young guy. He is really skillful that the brush applicator can be used like T-bar. He is the most fit contractor. Follow us for more than 10 years. Let me show you how is the sheen after we completed finish with bonshure E9. The sheen level is 90% matte finish. Looks on it, the sheen is very balanced, very clear and cloudy feel. Thanks for watching.